What's going on, guys? My name's Connor, and today I have a review and unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Cloud Slender wallet. So for those of you guys who are new to my channel, I review some of the craziest hype items out there. I've done the Dior Jordans. I recently just did the Supreme Louis Vuitton box logo hoodie. So if you guys are into that stuff, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, as it really helps out my channel. But without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. Alright guys, so just before I begin unboxing, I just want to tell you guys that the retail cost was $590 USD, obviously plus tax and shipping depending on if you bought it in store, at a pop-up, or if you're able to get it online. But currently, as I'm making this video, it is not available online. It is completely sold out, and it is actually sold out in most stores as well. I did have a buddy a few weeks ago who was able to secure one at a pop-up that he went to where they had like the NBA, Nigo, and Cloud collection available. But most likely, if you're looking to get it sometime soon, you're gonna have to pay resale. And the current resale market is looking to be around $1,000 to $1,100. The last 4 sales on StockX, I just checked before making this video, were $1,100. They were like $1,090 to be exact, which is pretty impressive. So if you were able to get it for retail, you'd be looking at about a $400 profit. But I'll begin unboxing by showing you guys the box right here. You guys can see Louis Vuitton. Nothing too special. It's one of the smaller ones, obviously, because it is the wallet, and it's just gonna pop out like this. And I will show you guys a little barcode right here. You guys can see that the item number is M69742. So if you just wanted to look online for this wallet, you can just put in those digits, or if you're in store and they ask for the specific item, you're able to tell or show them this, and they'll know exactly what you're talking about, because every single Louis Vuitton item out there has an item number. But setting this to the side, sometimes when you buy it in store, they'll stick it on the side of the box, but sometimes they'll just throw it in. I don't know if it's because of COVID, but you guys will be able to see right here the little dust bag. So you guys can see it will just say Louis Vuitton on it. It's kind of like a creamish color. You guys can see right here, top. Nothing crazy about it. I'm sure you guys just want to see the wallet. So I'll open it up and pull it out, and boom. Here's the wallet right here. Before I begin getting into all the details of it, I'll just give you guys a quick look. I really think this is a good looking wallet. I mean, there's wallets out there that are really hyped up but aren't the best looking. But I just think this is sick. I mean, even if it didn't have the Louis Vuitton on it, just the colors and kind of like the pattern on it would be an eye catcher, at least for me. You guys can see the inside right here. Louis Vuitton, made in France, 2020. And then they always put this little card in that will say the materials that it's made out of. So it'll say Louis Vuitton, made in Paris, and it is made of coated fabric and cowhide leather lining. You guys can see it. If you guys want to see the other side, it'll say it in a different language. And boom. So right here, you have the wallet. Hopefully you guys got a good look at it. And the dimensions of it, for those of you guys who are wondering, is 4.3 inches wide, like this way. It's 3.3 inches in length, I guess this way. And thickness is about 8/10. Yeah, it's about 8/10. So about 8/10 of an inch, if that makes sense. Obviously, if you fill it up, it will be able to expand a little bit. But give me a quick second, I'll show you a little comparison. So here is my Louis Vuitton wallet that I use for like every day right here. You guys can see that it's pretty similar in size. This is the one that's been released for a while. They have some vintage ones. And they also have this one, which was released, which I got from the store maybe like 3 or so years ago. But you guys can see that this one is a little bit smaller. Maybe this one stretched out because it's been worn, but they're pretty similar in size. And so if you have a regular Louis Vuitton Damier Azure or Monogram wallet, you guys can kind of assume that it's going to be very similar in size. And like I mentioned, for those of you guys who kind of want me to describe the material, it's cowhide leather trim and textile lining. You guys can see the lining right here. The details are absolutely amazing. And when you're authenticating Louis Vuitton wallets, you're going to want to look right at the lining, because if it's anything less than perfect quality, then you know it is a fake, and that should be a giveaway. I mean, when people try to rationalize why the lining is off, and they'll say, oh, well, I chipped it on something or whatever else, Louis Vuitton isn't like that. Louis Vuitton is made out of many layers, and it's really high quality, and it does not get messed up quickly. They even have protocols that they go over when you're in the store, or if you look online, there will be a whole tab that goes over product care so you can know how to maximize the utility of your Louis Vuitton purchase. But getting into all the compartments right here, you guys can see that there are 2 bill compartments. That's what they like to call these. So maybe if you fold your hundreds or ones or whatever you like to put in here, you have 2 different compartments. So what I would probably do if this was my wallet and it was used, I would probably put like bigger bills on this side and maybe my smaller bills on this side, so I kind of know where I'm reaching from if I have to pay someone. And then there will be 8 card slots. There will be 3 up here, 3 right here. Then you have your main slot right here. So personally, I might put my debit card and maybe my insurance or whatever else right here. I might put my ID right here. And then I might put my credit cards on this side. So it's all about being organized, and Louis Vuitton gives you that capability. And then right here, you have another compartment. You guys can see the blue right here. And just so you guys know, this wallet has not been used. It is completely brand new. And that's what I like reviewing for you guys, because you guys can see it at its maximum quality or without any use whatsoever or any flaws. So you guys can see right here, it's a pretty good size. It can pretty much hold whatever you want. You have your bills right here. Maybe you have your checks in the back, and then you also have your cards right here. And something a little interesting that a lot of you guys might not know. Right here where it says made in France, that is not the only reference that the wallet might have. It doesn't mean it's fake if it says made in France, Spain, Italy, or US, because those are the 4 locations that they are manufactured. And so if you see one of those 4 countries, then don't necessarily jump to a conclusion that the wallet's fake, because it could be still real. But yeah, that's a good thing to know, because some people might say, oh, well, that doesn't match up when you're comparing your wallet to mine, because it could very well be real depending on where you got it, but you always want to be careful. And out of all the Louis Vuitton wallets from this collection, the Cloud collection, this is definitely the most popular pick, because some people might say that like the Brazza or the other ones are a little bit too exotic or big in your pocket, and this one's just the perfect size. And I can see why, not wanting to go with the exotic look, but in my eyes, this wallet is exotic already if you just look at the colors on it. And I don't even know if the video that I'm going to put out is going to do the colors justice, but this wallet is absolutely beautiful. But if you guys want to see another wallet, make sure to check out my Brazza wallet video I uploaded a week or 2 ago, because that was a really good wallet as well. And the biggest difference between those is that one is a lot bigger, but it has multiple zippy slots. It has even more card holders. I believe that one had 16 card holders, which is absolutely insane. So for someone that has a lot of credit cards or a lot of cards in general that they want to hold on to, whether they're business cards or fake IDs or whatever else, you guys can go ahead and put them in there. But for those of you guys who are looking to buy this wallet, do I think it is worth it? I think that this wallet is worth it if you have a little bit of money to spend. But in my opinion, I would be a little bit hesitant to pay resale on it, because paying $1,100 for a wallet is kind of crazy in my eyes. If I had to buy a wallet with $1,100 or my budget was $1,100, I would definitely go with like a Supreme Louis Vuitton one. But for this, not even to be a collaboration, but just a collection in itself, I personally would not stretch my budget that far. I would definitely pay somewhere around $700 to $800 if I was feeling impatient, but any more than that, I would be a little bit hesitant unless you're really balling like that. And I mean, I think it goes without saying that if it takes all your money to buy this wallet, it's better to have a cheap wallet with money in it than an expensive wallet with nothing in it. I mean, just keep that in mind. I always try to give you guys the best advice, but a lot of these purchases are investments for me, because I actually got this wallet for retail. So lucky me. If you guys are looking out and you guys are patient, you guys can go ahead and look at where the pop-ups are going to be, or call the stores and see if they have any available, because you'd be surprised. Even the items from the Cloud collection that sell out really fast, such as the keepall, I was able to see in what was it called? I forgot the mall that I saw it in, but I went to one of the Louis Vuitton stores in a mall just a few weeks back, and I was really surprised to see that they had that keepall, because that was one of the most hyped up items, and that one's going a lot over retail. but you guys just have to look out and not assume that they're just not gonna be available. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as it really helps out my channel. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this wallet and whatever else you guys want to see on my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.